Hyundai Tucson 4th generation, NX4. Fuse panel description, fuse replacement. Engine compartment fuse box. The fuse box is located in the engine compartment, left side. Engine compartment fuse box diagram. Not all fuse panel descriptions in this manual may be applicable to your vehicle. The information is accurate at the time of creating the video. When you inspect the fuse box on your vehicle, refer to the fuse box label. Assignment of the fuses and relay in the engine compartment. To inspect the fuses in the engine compartment, follow these steps. 1. Turn the engine switch to the lock position. 2. Turn all other switches off. 3. Remove the fuse panel cover by pressing the tap and pulling up. 4. Check the removed fuse. Replace it if it is blown. To remove or insert the fuse, use the fuse puller in the engine compartment fuse panel. 5. Push in a new fuse of the same rating, and make sure it fits tightly in the clips. Instrument panel fuse box. The fuse box is located under the instrument panel. Instrument panel fuse box diagram. Assignment of the fuses in the instrument panel. To replace the instrument panel fuses, follow these steps. 1. Turn the engine switch and other switches. 2. Open the fuse panel cover. 3. Refer to the label on the inside of the fuse panel cover to locate the suspected fuse location. 4. Pull the suspected fuse straight out and check the removed fuse. 5. Push in a new fuse of the same rating, and make sure it fits tightly in the clips. In an emergency, if a spare fuse is unavailable, you can temporarily use a fuse of the same rating from a non-essential circuit, such as the cigarette lighter fuse. If the headlamps or other electrical components fail to function and the fuses appear intact, check the fuse panel in the engine compartment. If you find a blown fuse, replace it with one of the same rating. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car repair guides and maintenance tips.